Today we are diving for river trash again. We're back at the same spot where we dove for trash last time, and yeah, this is also where we found the mortar from World War II. And yeah, that has been removed, fortunately. I put the video up somewhere on the screen so you can check it out if you haven't seen it. And yeah. Ja, das Alter. Okay. Here it is. Walter. Ja.
Geht er auf? Jetzt mal kurz gucken, nicht, dass da irgendwas drin ist. Aha.
Oh
Oha,
shit.
das ist tatsächlich eine.
That is a real gun. We
Well,
just found a gun.
Ja, nur die Polizei anrufen.
Ja.
Ich sag jetzt wirklich, der Moin, der letzte.
Here it is.
Ja.
A real gun. That's the first. P99.
Diesmal geben wir das Telefon nicht durch die Gegend, okay? Das ist
Okay, so we talk to the police now, and yeah, they are going to come and take care of that. We'll get a bit closer to the road now, so yeah, there isn't really a road here. Yeah, now it's time to take it back. We're at the road and yeah, here it is. Now we're just waiting for the police to show up and yeah, dispose of this weapon. A Walter P99. Okay,
wenn auch,
okay.
warum nicht?
Ja.
Und dass man sonst einfach diese sofort ablehnen kann.
Here they come. Okay, the officers are checking out the gun right now to see if it's real or just an airsoft gun. Yeah, here's the case in which we found it. Looks like it could be a bullet right there, but we're not sure. The officers determined that it's not a real gun, but rather a P99 for shooting blanks. So yeah, here you can see the case, which looks exactly like the one we found, and yeah, the gun is also identical. Yeah. So yeah, it was just a gun for shooting blanks, but yeah, still pretty scary to find something like this. They're leaving now and yeah, taking the gun back to the station to dispose of it.